everyone, Salwa here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you have been following along with my travel adventures every week, I want to thank you so much for helping me create this huge community of 8,000 subscribers. But today I'm excited to announce a major shift. While I will always be passionate about travel, this channel is now evolving to focus more on what so many of you have been asking for, the behind the scene, and how I actually fund my travels and maintain this location independent lifestyle. What many of you don't know is that I have been working remotely for the past 8 years. So I am one of the original gangster in the space.
I am proud of myself.
I used to call clients on the phone when I used to work with them, way before Zoom was what it is today. And I have been so busy working on client work that I never really had time to share the behind the scene and how I make money to fund this location independent lifestyle. But this is about to change. This channel will now be dedicated to show you exactly how I make money online, build remote income streams, and design a life where you can work from anywhere in the world. I'll be sharing the systems, strategy, and skills that have allowed me to travel while earning. Everything from freelancing and digital marketing to online businesses and passive income opportunity. Don't worry if you're here for the travel content, my other channel, Explore with Salua, will now be my dedicated space for all my travel vlogs, destination guides, and adventures content. I'd love for you to subscribe there too if pure travel content is what you're looking after. Because let's face it, I still love to travel, but I decided to slow down my full-time traveling journey, and I decided to base myself in Mexico, where I am currently. And as a thank you for being part of this community, I created a free guide. It's called the Remote Income Roadmap, your step-by-step guide to remote income so you can also live and work from anywhere. Make sure you grab it. I'm going to leave the link in the description down below. On this channel, I'll be uploading new video twice a week, but now focused on helping you create the freedom to travel wherever and whenever you want. And if you ever dream to break free from the 9-to-5 grind, nothing wrong with 9-to-5 by the way, and seeing the world on your own terms, this channel is about to become your roadmap. So let's build this location independent lifestyle together. Again, I want to say thank you so much for being a subscriber. I hope that you will enjoy this new content. I think it was time to elevate to the next level, and I'm super ready to take on this journey, and I hope you will join this journey with me. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye-bye from Mexico.